Hello, students. So you should have a link for tinkercad.com/login. We're going to be learning what we need to do in order to submit our Tinkercad assignments, whether or not you're joining the class or you're just signing in with Google. So open the link tinkercad.com/login and either do the join your class with the code that I sent in the assignment or click sign in with Google. Once you're signed in, click on Learn. And then make sure that this menu right here says Circuits. So these are the circuits that we're going to be creating, but we're also going to be doing these projects and these lessons. So this is the Getting Started lesson that you're watching right now. So we're going to click on Start Simulating in these starters. And I need to reset mine because I've done this so many times. So I'm going to, yes, reset. With all of the Tinkercad circuit lessons, on the left side you have your directions. There's usually an example of what's going to happen. So if you click on the example, it'll show you, a picture of what'll happen when you create your circuit. You also have a new Google slide where you're going to be placing your assignments. So open that up and go to slide 2. And for slide 2, the assignment name is going to be this lesson name, Start Simulating. So type Start Simulating. And then when you're done with the lesson, you're going to describe what you learned and how to do the assignment, and then define at least one component or word that you saw or learned in the assignment. So on Tinkercad, let's read the directions. So let's learn how to test a circuit designed with the simulator. Click the next button. It says click the Start Simulation button. So instructions, click the Start Simulation button. Let's find that. That's right here. So when I click the Start Simulation button, it'll simulate this electronic circuit. So right now there's electrons flowing through this LED, through the resistor, through the coin battery, through the wire, and back through the LED. Click Next. It says, congratulations, you simulated your first circuit. Use the simulator to test your circuit design at any time. So we can stop and start this at any time. If you want to simulate other pre-made designs, check out the starter circuits, which you can find by clicking the plus components button and then selecting the starters lab. I believe, let's find that. Where is that? Here it is. So there's basic Arduino circuit assemblies. Oh, so that's just for your own exploration. You don't need to do it for this lesson. It says continue on to the next lesson to learn how to edit component properties in circuits. Before you move on, take a screenshot of the simulation. So with this light turned on, I want to see the simulator time. I want to see the whole screen. So that should, include your little profile picture and the congratulations. And you're going to take that screenshot and place it on the right side of the slide here. Okay, and then describe what you did. This one is going to be very straightforward and simple. And then one of the words that you learned. So if you don't know what the word simulation means or simulator, research that. So try and define that by doing some research. And then that'll satisfy that first assignment. So this was your Getting Started, Start Simulating lesson. Finish that part and submit.